So hey guys, welcome back. I'm making this video fifth time as the connection resetted again and again and some more problems came. So yeah, this is about RBE, remote build execution. It is like some of the work of making custom ROM will be done on other servers, which will eventually decrease the build time. So in my case on Google Cloud, the build was made in up to 6 to 7 hours and it the time reduced to 2 hours. Okay, so now I will tell you how to set up RBE. First of all, you have to go to my GitHub profile. I will show that on the I will mention in description the link. Okay, I will you have to copy this command in building help repository, the third one. Okay, after copying it, paste in it in the source. Okay, after pasting it, you can see here we got two files, rbe.config and setup underscore rb.sh. You don't have to mess up with this file, you have to mess up with this file. So now we will mess up with that file, nano rbe.conf. okay. So now we will do this thing. Here RBE reclient directory we have to set here to RBE. You can read the guide that is attached with the description box, or you can do as I say, which will be eventually easy to you to copy just by video. So now in BB instance you have to write. First of all, let me show you, this is the guide which I am following, and now you will go to this. Here you have to search for build buddy. Okay, here build buddy and search, open this link and get started for free, and then log in with your account and you will see this page. Then click on quick start guide. Here you will see this thing. Now copy the second one without this grcps, whatever this is, this control C, and go here and then paste here instead of that thing, in place of that thing. Okay, here paste and then go to this key. I will be deleting this account, so don't try to use my key, whatever, because that will not make. Now copy this thing, this only key is equal to, okay, and then paste here. So you have done half the work. Now you have to get the RBE tools here. Okay, so let me show you how you do that. In this link you will get the, let me cut this and go there. In this knob guide you will get the link here. If you scroll down, you can see download and configure reclient. You have to click on this link. Okay, and then download this file. I have already downloaded this file and uploaded to GitHub, so that I can download this file on terminal via wget. Okay, if this file is not present there at the moment when you are watching this video, then you can just download this file and upload anywhere where you can download the file by wget. You can upload to your any repository anywhere else. Okay, after doing this you have to click here wget and then paste the link, and something like this will be downloaded. What? client-linux-amd64.zip, and then make directory RBE here, and then copy this thing, and then you can copy this thing to the RBE folder, RBE/ and then paste, and then go to RBE folder and unzip this file. Okay, after unzipping this file you have to you can remove this file and then go back. Now we have set the path to RBE in the droidx folder, so we will just move this, or we will copy this. I am just moving mbrbe space in the root source, where the source is synced, in that folder /RBE. Okay, we will go to cd droidx and here you can see we got RBE here present here. Okay, now I will remove this out folder and then start our build. Let me show you if it works or not. Okay, now launch, we have to start the setup RB command after launch command. If you don't have launch command, you have to use brunch or anything else, then use before brunch, because we have to use the command before MKA. You can also use before this lunch, but appropriately you have to use before MKA. So lunch droidx underscore pipa dash bp1a dash user. Okay, so after this you can see how to run the command. You have to just copy paste this one. Okay, so here you can just start the command. You can see RBE environment configured and reclient directory is also there. Now we have to use mbacon or mkbacon, whatever the build start is. You can see the RBE starting RBE. You have, I guess you have seen the starting RBE text build before, and also there setting out directory, etc, etc is there. If you think you can make the fast RBE builds by showing this, then you can watch this. Also, I want to tell you one more thing about this guide. In this guide it is said that here, let me show you, make sure to switch RB CXS links execute strictly to local after this thing to local. At the moment it is like first go to remote, and if it fails then go to local. So he is saying that after first build change it to local, this thing to local, to make builds faster. But I tried this, but eventually it was more slow than when this was set. Up to you. I mean, if you set it to local, in my case it was slow. So better to just build as it is, as I told you, to get better results. Okay, so I will fix this one day, but I'm not fixing them right now. But yeah, this is how you start RB. You can see here RB is running. RB stats down 0B 0B. Okay, so yeah, thanks for watching.